first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my same humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present all of my respectful guests. So yesterday we also discussed about what kinds of Radha, what kinds of prem in the heart of Srimati Radhika towards Krishna. Because yesterday I told, after Dapar Yug, and Krishna performs, then Krishna returned back to Golok Vrindavan. Understand? So when Krishna returned back in Golok Vrindavan, then Krishna is thinking one thing in his heart. In my Brajalila, Brajalila understand, Vrindavan Lila, I released all types of mellows from the heart of the Brajavasis. Because Brajavasis, they have so much love and affection with me. And especially Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Sakha Sakka Bhave Kare Skandi Arohan, Tumi Kon Baro Lok, Ami Tumi Sakha, Ami Tumi Sama. Mata More Putra Bhave Kare Taran Bhatsan. Priya Jadi Man Kari Kare Bhatsan, Vedastuti Hoit Mor Hare Morman. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. In Braj, Brajavasis, especially Subal Siddham, they have spontaneous Sakkha friendship mood with Krishna. And sometimes they also quarreling to each other. Because where is the prem, automatically quarrel coming. This is nature. No prem, no quarrel. Impartialists, they don't like quarrel, these things. They want to how to march in Brahma, oneness with the Brahma. So there are no question to quarrel, no question to love anything. Because if you love, need two things. Understand? If you live alone, you love to whom? No one. Your heart will be dry. Dry or not? For this regard, you want friends, not one friend. Many friends you need. Friends are need or not? Those who are Santaras devotee, they are calm and quiet. They have only one qualification towards Lord, that is called Nishtha. Nishtha means steadiness of He is Bhagavan, He is Atmaram, Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. This is the nature. And there so Santaras devotees, and only one Nishtha with his Ishtadeva. Ishtadeva means worshipful deities. There are no servicial mood. There are no need to cook, no need to do anything. Because they are thinking Krishna, Bhagavan, he is called Atmaram and Aptakam. He is not hungry. So no need to offer any food, nothing. But when you will give food, then he accepts. This is their conception. Because he is Bhagavan. Understand this? So for this regard, some people also saying, कोई तो कहते हैं कृष्ण तो खाते ही नहीं. Some people are saying, oh Krishna, he is not eating. कोई कहते हैं कृष्ण तो खाते ही नहीं. सबरी जैसे तू खिलाती नहीं. Sabri, understand? Sabri, they are the what is called? Low-caste lady, aborigine lady in Ram Lila. She prepared many kinds of preparation for Ramchandra, because her guru told to her that one day Ram and Lakshman will come in this cottage. For this regard, Sabri, she every day and prepare very nice and fruits for Ramachandra. One day Ram and Lakshman came in her cottage, then she fed to Ram and Lakshman. So saying, कोई कहते हैं भगवान तो खाते नहीं और सबरी जैसे तू खिलाती नहीं. By if you feed very nicely, love and affection, Lord will eat or not? This is the nature. If you very nicely prepare many kinds of preparation and delicious food, delicious prasad, then Lord will accept or not? Take it. So for this you are saying. कई कहते हैं ये कृष्ण तो सोते ही नहीं. Someone saying Krishna, he is not sleeping. बोले माँ जसोदा जैसे तू सुलाती नहीं. Understand? If you what is called to make to sleep to Krishna on a very nice, beautiful, soft bed, as like Mother Jasoda, then Krishna will sleep. This is true. Mother Jasoda, and she very nicely and served to Krishna. Then Krishna taking rest on the bed. So saying, कई कहते हैं ये भगवान तो आते नहीं. Some person is saying, oh Krishna, he is not coming. और द्रौपदी जैसे तू बुलाते नहीं. Understand? If you call to Krishna and as like Draupadi, understand? Then Krishna will appear, will come. Just one Durvasa Rishi came in the cottage of Pandavas, then that time Draupadi and took prasad and or one special, what is called? Pot. Understand? Akshay Patra. Draupadi she has one special Akshay Patra. But when Draupadi she took prasad and cleaned that the pot, and that pot can't to manifest anything. But once Durvasa Rishi came in the cottage of Draupadi, and that time Draupadi took prasad and also cleaned that the Akshay Patra, that pot. But Durvasa Rishi told, and I will take prasad in your place. That time midday also. And Draupadi already took prasad and cleaned that the Akshay Patra. What? So Akshay Patra cannot manifest anything. Then Draupadi, she just has to close her eyes and pray to Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. He Krishna, he Jadava, he Saketi, Govinda Damo. Then Krishna appeared in the cottage of Pandavas. And Draupadi is there. This katha is there. So saying Draupadi jaise tu bhulati nahi. If you called out to Lord as like Draupadi, then Krishna will appear. Huh? Understand? कोई कहते हैं कृष्ण तो नाचते नहीं, नाचते नहीं. Someone saying, oh, Krishna is not dancing. गोपियां जैसे तो नचाते नहीं. If you not make dance to Krishna, how possible Krishna dance? Well, gopis, they give some little bit laddu to Krishna, then Krishna's saliva are falling down. Then gopis stay saying, okay, I will give this laddu. You also dance. Then Krishna dancing. Tatai tai nakidai. Understand? Laddu dance. Sometimes gopis they saying, hey Gopal, I will give you makhan. Makhan means butter. Then Gopal says, okay, give me. Then Gopi saying, oh, you have to dance. Then Krishna is dancing. Understand? Dancing. Then Gopi is saying, okay, next, again I will dance, again I will dance. 2-3 times that Krishna is saying, maybe I will forget to receive makhan, butter from you. So Gopi, okay, don't worry. So Gopi is taking some cow dung and put on the, what is it called? Gopi dot on his forehead. Look at this. Then and after dancing, then Krishna asks, give me butter. Well, how much? Then counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Krishna is dancing or not? So he is saying. So just I also think in Braj, Krishna performs sweet Leela. And Krishna performs sweet Leela with his sakhas. And sakhas sometimes they also quarreling to each others. And because there is love, deep love. Love creates the quarrel. Not material world. Material love, that is your, the quarrel, that is your sense gratification. Sometimes you are saying, I love you, then I leave you, then I hit you, then I kill you. So this is not the love. Gopis or the Brajavasi, they are loving and spontaneous. How they are love and affection with Krishna. So Sakhas, the friends of Krishna, they are also quarreling to each other. Ittang satang brahma sukhanuvuttam dasangatanang paradevatena maya sitanang naradarakena sardhang vijahu kritapurna punja. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told this verse in Srimad Bhagavatam. And how Subal Sudam, they are good, great fortune. Sometimes they are quarreling with Krishna. They are saying, oh Krishna, you defeat. We conquer. But Krishna says, no, you defeat. I conquer. So who will give the perfect, who will give the judgment? That they came in front of Durvasa Rishi. Durvasa Rishi is just taking darshan, the beautiful form of Krishna. So I am saying this, Sakha Sakka Bhavi Kare Skandhyaran. Sometimes Subal Siddham, they climbed on the shoulder of Krishna. Mata Mare Putra Bhavi Kare Lalana Palan. Krishna says, sometimes my mother nourishment to me, as like her innocent baby. Mata Mari Putra Bhavi Kare Lalana Palan. And sometimes Mother Jasoda chastised to Krishna also. Because Krishna is stealing butter from the house of the Brajagopis. So Braj Gopis, they sometimes also complain to Mother Jasoda. Then Mother Jasoda saying, "Hey Krishna, why you are going to the house of Brajavasis and stealing butter? Everybody call you thief. Understand? So when you grow up, who will marry with you? No girl marry with you, because you are thief. Who will marry with the thief? Who will marry? No one. Understand? Then Krishna is saying, Mother, I never you to go the house of Brajavasis. They blame to me only. They are this is their nature. Then Krishna is saying, "Oh Mother, tell to me when I will go the house of Brajavasis and stealing butter from their house." Bhor bhoye madhuban pathayu gayun ke piche piche. Early in the morning, you send me Madhuban, and I always I am herding the cows and chasing behind the cows. So when I will go the house of the Braj Gopis and steal butter, tell me. So Mother, I did not eat butter. Maiyari, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, भोर भये मधुबन पठायो, गायन के पीछे पीछे. मैयारी, मैं नहीं माखन खायो. Krishna says, "Oh my mother, I never ate butter. I have no time to the house, going to a house of the Braj Gopis." They are completely liar. Liar, understand? Only they are telling lie. But you are thinking, oh, they are saying this is perfect. No. You are my mother. Why you are not taking my side? My side. Why you are taking the side of Braj Gopis? So I think, Krishna is saying, think you are not my real mother. Maybe someone of my mother. So today I will go to the herding the cows and again not come back. When herded, then Mother Jasoda, she fainted. Then Krishna pacified to Mother Jasoda, giving water. Then when Mother Jasoda, she returned back her consciousness. Then Krishna, again same word Krishna is saying. Maiyari, maine hi makhan khayo. First he told, I did not eat butter. And now what is saying? Maiyari, maine hi makhan khayo. Oh my mother, I ate butter. Look this. This is rise going on this. What is prem? Prem creates the quarrel. You understand? Every love is, this is the nature of the love. And Sakhas, they also quarrel with Krishna. Mother Jasoda, sometimes she also quarrel with Krishna. Krishna also quarrel with Mother Jasoda. Our gopis, they have spontaneous nature to quarrel with Krishna. Look this. The nature of the gopis. Because love means is what? Create this the quarrel. If you no quarrel, no love. No quarrel, no love. Honestly. Because this nature of love, prema, always going a zigzagging way. Zigzagging. Jatha ohi revo mevo. Love always goes as like snake. Wahi means snake. Snake walks. No. Snake never runs straight. Snake also this way. Here is snake or not? Where?
Snake here? No snake here. A tiny snake. Centipede.
Very tiny.
Well, here, no.
Centipede.
One tiny.
Hawaii no snakes.
How I know snake?
Little black snake.
Black snake.
Very
One,
polite.
it'll wind around you like a worm.
Okay.
Harmless.
These are love. So just also, Gopis, they also use many harsh words to Krishna. What are their harsh words? They are saying, you are stupid, nonsense, rascal. You are debauchee. Debauchee saying this type of word. Lampat. So Krishna is very happy. For this God Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. And Priya jadi man kari kare bhatsan Vedastuti hoite mor hare mor mon. Krishna says. And Brahma, Shiva, Narada, they recited many nice Veda and Stuti, recitation. Om tad Vishnu paramang padam sada pasante suraya diviva chaksuratatam. This is stop Stuti. But and Brahmaji also recited many stop Stuti. Govindam adi purusam tamaham bhajami. These types of stuff. Isvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadira Adi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Brahmaji this, but Krishna is not happy with this Stavstuti. But when gopis they use harsh words, yeah, you are stupid, nonsense, rascal. You are Gopal. Gopal means Gopal. Mane you are always herding the cows. Go mane cows. Gopal means you also protect the cows, herding the cows, and always associated with the cows. So for this regard you are. Your brain also as like cow. If you associate good person, then good brain will come or not. If you associate with bad person, bad conception will come. This is the nature. If you associate with the or those who are smoking, ganja, bhang, or is taking alcohol, then your nature will come also to do that. Drinking, that things. Or if you associate a good person, only taking Mahaprasad, doing chanting holy names, bhajan and sadhan, then you will become great devotee. What do you want? You want to become good devotee or you will become pagal? Pagal, understand? Crazy. Pagal. If you associate with pagal, then you will become pagal also. Understand? In this material world, everybody mad or not? Do you understand what I am saying? People are saying, mundane people are saying, oh, we are not pagal. Sadhus, they are pagal. I'm saying, we are saying both are pagal also. Sadhus, they are pagal for Krishna Nam. Understand? They are mad for Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And mundane people, they also mad for mundane things. This is true. This is the nature. कोई धन से पागल. Some persons also crazy for their wealth. Some people they are crazy for their knowledge. ज्ञान से पागल. Some people they are crazy for their name, fame, reputation. different types of pagal. So this material world is called pagal khana. Pagal khana, understand? Huh?
The realm of puggles.
Pagal khana, understand? The place of crazy place. हैं? कोई धन से पागल, कोई जन से पागल, everybody want this, different pagal also. Some people they are mad for acquire the knowledge, ज्ञान से पागल, how the day and night, collecting knowledge and also argument to others. Different pagal also. Who is not pagal?
Debate.
Like
debate. Debating discussion.
Sometimes they discussing to each others. Mundane things. Different pagal also. Those are devotee, they are pagal for Krishna Nam. Evam brata sapranam kritta jatanurago duchoy hasati atho rodoti roti gan unmadva nityati lokavajyo unmadavat. Devotees as like mad person. What is the mad person? Ever Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Different pagal. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, pagal bolche sabhi hacche pagal kai khana. So now coming in this, what? So Mother Jasoda, she chastised to Krishna. Already I told. Gopi they also criticized to Krishna. Understand? You are stupid, nonsense, rascal, this word. Actually, this word is very sweet. If you have love, this word will be sweet. Or same word, good word. But if you have no love, you think this is very bitter. This is Torah. This is the nature of this material. So, so love means, what is love means? You are quarrel. There is love, there is quarrel. There is no love, no quarrel. But material world, this quarrel for the own sense gratifications. A transcendental world, that quarrel for love. And so just I will come. So loving quarrel. It is called prema kalaha. Kalaha means quarrel. Prem, loving quarrel, prem kalaha. Sometimes Krishna and Gopi, especially Srimati Radhika, they quarrel to each other. What they say? Srimati Radhika saying, "Hey Krishna, you are Tribhangi." Tribhangi, you understand? You are three-fold. Understand? Actual Srimati Radhika, when she used this word, Krishna, you are three-fold. Actual Srimati Radhika internally glorifies to Krishna. Sometimes quarrel and externally looking, what is called? Like a quarrel or this fighting. But internally glorified. Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Kiba chuda sire, kiba bangsi kare, kiba se tribhangatham. Kiba chuda suri sire, kiba bangsi kare, kiba se tribhangatham. সদায় আশা করি ভৃঙ্গরূপ ধরি চরণে নূপুর দাম. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, how is Krishna beautiful this form? He is called Tribhanga Lalit. Three-band-fold Krishna. So, if you take darshan, the Krishna is very nice, beautiful, three-band-fold. And you complete, you forget, and all your family's member. If you go Vrindavan, you will be cry. You will not return back your home. How I cannot come back? You will be cry for Krishna. Or in here, Hawaii, all your friends and mother, father, they will cry for you. You will cry for Krishna in Vrindavan. Or your relative, they will cry for you. Look this. So saying this, don't go Vrindavan. বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস থাকে অবিলাস তবে মোর কথা রেখো যেও নাকো মথুরা কেশি তীর্থ ঘাটের সকাশ বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস তবে মোর কথা রেখো যেও নাকো মথুরায় কেশি তীর্থ ঘাটের সকাশ বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিয়া থাকে অভিলাষ গোবিন্দ বিগ্রহ ধরি তথায় আছেন হরি নয়নে বঙ্কিম দৃষ্টি মুখে মন্দহাস বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিয়া কিবা ত্রিভঙ্গ থাম বর্ণ সমজুল শ্যাম নব কিশলয় শোভা অঙ্গে প্রকাশ বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিয়া বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিয়া আধিতে আছে হৃদয় বংশীটি তার অধরে বংশীটি তার অনর্থের মূলাধার অধরে বংশীটি তার অধরে শিখে চূড়া ওকে ভাই না কর বিশ্বাস শিখে চূড়া ওকে ভাই না কর বিলাস বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব সে মূর্তি নাই অনে হেরে কেউ নাই ঘরে ফিরে সে মূর্তি নাই অনে হেরে সংসারী গৃহের যে গো হয় সর্বনাশ সংসারী গৃহের যে গো হয় আর বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস তাই মোর মনে বড় ত্রাস তাই মোর মনে বড় ত্রাস বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিহাস ও ঘটিবে বিপদ ভারী দেও না কই সংসারী মথুরা কেশি তীর্থ ঘাটের সংসার বিপদ ভারী দেও না কই সংসারী আর বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিয়া আর বন্ধু সঙ্গে যদি তব রঙ্গ পরিয়া if you enjoy the sense gratification in your family's member in your house, so I give very nice instruction to you. Who is saying? Bhaktivinoda Thakur say, don't go Vrindavan. If you go Vrindavan, then big problem will come. Understand? You say, no, I have to go. So saying, okay, if you if you go Mathura, then take Achman in Vishram Ghat, then go more. No, I have to go Vrindavan. If you go Vrindavan, don't go Kesi Ghat. Where Krishna, he killed Kesi Daitya demon. If you go Kesi Ghat, then tell you very close to Kesi Ghat, one temple that is called Govinda Dev temple. Which temple? Govinda Dev. So I tell you, don't go the temple of Govinda Dev. They will, no, I have to go Govinda temple. Achha, okay, you go Govinda temple. Don't take darshan, Govinda Dev. He is very dangerous person. If you take darshan to him, then you lose everything. বলে অধরে বংশী তার অনর্থের মূলাধার শিখি পুচ্ছক ভাই না করো বিশ্বাস. Don't faith with him. He always keeps the flute in his lips and he three-band fold. That's called Tribhanga Lalit. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, কিবা চূড়া সিরি কিবা বংশী করে কিবা সে ত্রিভঙ্গ ঠাম. সদা আশা করি ভিঙ্গ রূপ ধরি চরণে নুপুর দাম. Bhaktivinoda Thakur very humble said, no, I have to take darshan, beautiful form of Govinda Dev. How is beautiful? His turban. On the turban also peacock feather. Kiba chuda siri, kiba bangsi kare. And he holds the flute and he plays the flute. When he plays the flute, everybody completely what? Intoxicated. Kastrangati kalapadam to benugitam. When Krishna plays the flute, everybody intoxicated. Then you can't return back your home. You will be crying. So yesterday I told, Krishna is called Tribhanga Lalit. What did he say? Tribhanga Lalit. Tribhanga Lalit means three-band fold. And if one throne and stuck your feet, maybe it would be come out. After the same throne, and it will be stuck in your feet, and what is called crooked way. Not so easy to take out. You cannot easy. So that means is what? Krishna only three-band fold, crooked. Or if you take darshan, then it's difficult to take out from your heart. Understand? So don't go Vrindavan. Who will go Vrindavan? You will go or not? Now we think. So yesterday I told, Krishna is three-band fold. Understand? One Srimati Radhika. She also criticized to Krishna. Srimati Radhika, she told, oh Krishna, you are three-band fold. That got three bakrim. Three means three. Bakrim means band. And Bakri, here saying also, Bakri edha adu madhe cha ante cha bangsi ka rosika blakta jagati pralayo eva deve bakreshara. So Krishna is called Bakreshwar. Bakra Isara Bakreshwar. Understand? So Krishna, three-band fold. Is Adu, Madhya or Ante. And Adhuman in the beginning. His feet also, when he stands, his feet also, that is what, bend. Madhya, his waist also bend. You can see Krishna, or your black is Krishna. No, yeah, how is that? Which I saw there? In our house. Huh? Look this.
When Krishna's very bent.
Bend.
When his clothes are gone, you can really see his waist. And his head also.
Head also this way. And also bend, also his neck. So three bend. So for saying this way, and Bakri edha adu madhe cha ante cha vangsika rasika and klapta jagati pralayo eva devi Bakreshwar. For this regard, Krishna, one name is also Bakreshwar. Bakra Isara Bakreshwar. So in this way, Srimati Radhika, she told, you are always three-bandfold. Understand? So not only this, gopis, they also criticize to Krishna. Tu teda, tu braj teda. You are also crooked, and so braj also crooked. Jamuna also crooked. Jamuna river, how is flowing? Crooked way. This way. Very nice, beautiful, loving quarrel. Srimati Radhika, she criticized to Krishna. Then Krishna told, hey Radhe, okay, I am three-bandfold. This is true. Do you know? You are eight-bandfolds. How many? 8. Srimati Radhika, she is called Ashta Bakri. Krishna's, understand? Where? Then Krishna is saying, listen very well. Bachi kache modi drishtu smide prayane avagunthane tamo ittam avasu vakramo ashta vakradi tang bandi. This Sanskrit word, very nice, beautiful. Bachi, Bachi means Srimati Radhika always speaks is what? Crooked way. She did not give direct answer. If you ask to Srimati Radhika, she will not give direct answer to Krishna. Because this is the love. When love coming, love is the nature, give the crooked words. Not giving the straight answer. Love is not. Love is this way. So Bachi. Then your drishti. Drishti means your glands. Srimati Radhika, she did not direct take darshan to Krishna. What is he doing? Sideline. Bhruvi. Bhru. Are also, and what is called? Eyebrow. Kache. Kache means eyebrow. And Smriti. And also Srimati Radhika, she smiled also here. Also, her crooked way. Not that. You say, there is Srimati Radhika. And when Srimati Radhika did mean man, Krishna came and Krishna. And again bow down his forehead, but Srimati Radhika, she is looking crooked way. And when Krishna is praying, his obeisance, then Srimati Radhika little bit also smile. So how many now? Four. Or what is written there? Hridi. Hridi means in our heart also. Not say easy to give up her man. Madhava Madhava Jahi Madhava Mavado Kaitavo. Hey Madhav, get out here. This thing. Lalita Devi, Prasad Lalita Devi, talk to her. Lalita Ashtakam. Srila Rupa Goswami Padre saying this. What is that sloka? Dhurte Bhajandatanya Tun Sustu Bhammam Ma Dakshana Bhava Kalankini Laghavaya. Lalita Devi is saying, hey Srimati Radhika, don't give up your sulky mood. Understand? Now Krishna is holding your lotus feet and crying this way. He is big cheater. Don't give up your sulky mood. Dhurte Vajandatanya Tonu Sustu Bhammang Ma Dakshana Bhava Kalankini Laghavaya. So in this way, Srimati Radhika, she also keeps her man. So saying Hridi cha avaguntane and tam itta avasu vakramu and ashtatrayatyam bande. So how many now? 5 or 3? 3 left. 3 left. Hare Putriya. Bachi Koche Modi Drishtu and Smrite Prajani Avagunthane. And she also, and her, what is it called? Avagunthane means? Veil. Veil she also had. Crooked. And you see there's a little bit also. They are doing this way. Crooked way. Not direct she is. Or another. Bachi, Koche, Modi. And the Bachman speaks. Koche means, what is it?
Koche means
here. And Srimati Radhika's hair also and crooked. Curling hair. Curling. Understand? Is it a pen? And drishti means sidelong glance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. And
Vachi, words. Kachi, Dhruvi, eyebrow. Smriti, smile. Then Dristo, glance.
glance.
Prayani, gate. Waist, yeah.
Well, we didn't do that.
Prayani.
Prayani, what is it?
Gate or waist or to the walking, the way to walk.
When she walks.
Yeah.
Okay. Prayan Mani, Each box. So how many these?
8.
8. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. हैं? जय जय श्री राधा रानी की जय, बोलो कृष्णचंद्र की जय, जय जय श्री राम. है? So next time we'll come and we'll ask you this question. Then remember this sloka or not? Bachi kache mudi drishtu smriti prayane avagunthane tamam ittva tava avasu vakrama ashtak ashta vakraita है तंग बंदी है. You learn this verse.
Where can we find
Where
this
can we
verse?
find the verse?
है?
Where can we find it?
You can find in what is called which grantha?
I never know.
Okay, later I will tell.
Found it. There's a little bit where from, I don't know.
Bachi kache
Oh, Danakeli Komi.
dan ke li komati say.
Oh,
Okay. Huh? You have?
I think so. Somewhere in the show.
Verse 87.
87. Uh-oh, we're gonna learn all that. So beautiful.
Ah, very nice. Huh? बोलो दानकली कौमुदी की जय. Huh? Okay. So now we will not take too much time. Huh? Because now 9:30. We take prasad. Then we packing everything. Then back to God. Huh?
That's just
Oh, nice. Okay, take this.
We'll have tea and muffins. That's what
Oh, अच्छी बानी.
Bhakti Vrindavan Maharaj ki jai.